Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's learn some important points about Africa, the black continent. Africa, if you not yet subscribe my channel and enable bell icon to get all notifications. Let's start. Africa continent has the second largest population in the world. So, Africa continent has the second largest population, and we know the largest population in the world is in Asia. Asia is in first place, and after that Africa. Africa is in second position. Africa is known as black continent because it contains thick forest and discovered later. But for a long time, we had no idea about Africa, and it has thick forest, and it discovered later. So it got that name black continent. The longest river in the world, the Nile, and it is approximately 4,132 miles long. So the longest river in the world is the Nile. It is in Egypt. It is located in Africa. So Egypt is a country in Africa, and Nile is in Africa. Next is Strait of Gibraltar. Here it is GI. Strait of Gibraltar separates Morocco from Spain. Strait of Gibraltar separates two countries, that is Morocco and Spain, and also it separates the continents Africa and Europe. So Strait of Gibraltar separates Morocco and Spain. At the same time, Morocco is in Africa and Spain is in Europe. So it separates the continents Africa and Europe and connect Mediterranean Sea to Atlantic Ocean. Strait of Gibraltar connect Mediterranean Sea to Atlantic Ocean. Next is Suez Canal. Suez Canal is located between Jordan and Egypt. So Suez Canal is between two countries, that is Jordan and Egypt, and connect Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea. So which canal connect the Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea? Answer is Suez Canal. Suez Canal is between Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Congo is the only river in world which cut equator twice. Here it is Congo. CONGO. Congo is the only river in world which cut equator twice, because equator passes Congo two times. So it cut equator twice, and Congo is the only river in world which cut equator two times. Ethiopia, Somalia and Djibouti is known as Horn of Africa. Why these countries are known as Horn of Africa means it forms a shape of a rhinoceros horn. Along with these three countries, Eritrea also form the Horn of Africa. These four countries, Ethiopia, Somalia, Djibouti and Eritrea, forms the Horn of Africa. And Africa has the world's largest desert, the Sahara. So we know world's largest desert is Sahara, and Sahara is in Africa, which is almost the size of United States. And the size of Sahara is almost the size of United States. Sahara is in Africa. Next, Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is the largest waterfall in Africa and it is 355 feet in height and 1 mile wide. So, Victoria Waterfall is the largest waterfall in Africa. Its height is 355 feet and width is 1 mile, approximately 1 mile. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain on the continent. On the continent Africa, the highest mountain is Mount Kilimanjaro. The oldest human remains ever discovered were found in Ethiopia. So, the oldest human remains ever discovered were found in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a country in Africa and they are approximately 1 lakh years old. So, these human remains are 2 lakh years old and it was found in Ethiopia. So that's all about today's topic. If you like the video, like, subscribe my channel and share to all friends. Thank you.